Hello everyone. Welcome to the another episode of Residency Real Talk, where we bring the truth behind the table. Today we are joined by someone who's in the thick of it, second year Obs Gynae resident, that Dr. Tanvi Mittal from ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Faridabad. Hello, Dr. Tanvi.
Thank
Welcome to the
you.
show.
Thank you so much for inviting in the show. Let's talk about the weirdness of second year.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's what here we are. So it's like when we get to it, let's start with the very basic thing. Why the Obs Gynae? Like, what took you for it? What was it like your first choice right from the first year, or anything else that was the driving force towards Obs Gynae?
I was in internship. That
Hmm.
time I decided that I will took OBGY. There was a
Hmm.
lady in the OPD and she was like crying
Hmm.
to have a baby. She was
Okay.
like married for 16 years. So she was like either donate the baby or just give me the baby. That day I
Oh,
decided that I will go to the fertility side of
okay.
this, and
And
that
you
day
can
only I
help out
decided,
people who are not
yeah,
having
so
kids,
that I
right?
can
And
help out people.
okay, so that was your calling, just that driven you towards Obs Gynae,
Yeah,
like you wanted to bring it.
and also the chit chat that the ladies do.
Okay,
That
so
was
you
the
wanted to
reason.
have a good gossip session
Yeah.
also during your residency. Fine. So, like you are currently in the second year of residency.
Yeah.
So, how does it feel? Like, is it more difficult than first year, or something that you still? What I've heard, like second year is like the most free year of the residency. Like first year you don't have any time, and the final you have to study. So, what's about the second year? How you're going through it?
In the beginning, it was very difficult. Matlab, you
Hmm.
have to handle your first years, and
Hmm.
also the second years have now become third years. Then you have
Yes.
to do their work also,
Hmm.
and you have scolded for the mistakes of first years. You have to teach them. Now
Hmm.
you are the matlab, owner of the labor room, that you have to
Yes.
handle everything.
Yeah, like
So it's
you
quite
have to
difficult in
teach
the beginning.
first year, but you
Yeah.
have to do the work of third years because they are like we are studying, we
Yeah.
don't want to
Yeah.
work. Yes, so that happens. I understand. So and what about like your time schedule? Do you even sleep? That's what I've heard. You have like 42 hours, 72 hours, like these kind of
मतलब
time
mostly,
periods.
yeah, but you can't sleep in the you can't sleep during duty. You
Hmm.
don't know कभी भी मतलब कुछ भी हो जाएगा.
Yeah,
Whenever
that I
someone
have
says
experienced.
the labor room is very light, suddenly number of
Ex-
patients will come or referred from some other
Hmm.
hospital,
अच्छा
and
ठीक
there
है
will be
like this
bombardment.
is what I've heard कि is it real that let's talk on to that कि we don't jinx it or we say that labor room or it comes with emergency also like we say emergency बहुत खाली है labor room बहुत खाली है. Does it really happen? Have you experienced it?
Sometimes it happens, but when we say it,
Okay,
then it will change.
definitely
It
definitely
definitely
it
it
happens.
changes.
Okay, so yeah, that's what I've heard. Like mostly it's like कि you are not supposed to say the empty
Yeah.
word,
Yeah.
like today it's
Never say
silent
it.
or an empty word. Yes, that's what I heard. Yes. Okay, so what about the mental battle that you face if you look at the clinical skills or the mental that you have to think very fast because it's not just one life that you're handling the
Yeah.
mother and the child. And was there any situation that happened where you have to break the news to the family that there's only one we can save? Was there any moment in your life till now?
Like during internship, we were like, okay, duty will be finished and we'll go home. But now
Yeah.
it's very different.
Yeah.
You have to learn everything. You can't
Yes.
just say कि कोई ना देख लेंगे.
Hmm.
You have to pursue your dreams and you have to become a perfect
Hmm.
obstetrician. So you have to deal with this.
You
And
have to deal
yeah,
with
this
everything.
happened that you have to tell to the family the कि धड़कन नहीं है बच्चे की. You have to
Hmm.
tell, and it is very sad to inform
Yeah,
them.
because they have a hope in their eyes
Yeah,
for you,
because
like you
mostly
can
it
see
is a
it.
joyful branch that you give
Yes,
happiness to
yes.
others, but that time it is very difficult.
Okay. Yeah, it happens. So, with this, one thing came to my mind like, is it still happening in the society that might be very contradicting way or something that still we face that still in this society that girl child are not preferred over boy child? So,
Yeah.
does it happen at because you work in a government medical
Yeah.
college, it's a government setup where people from every status come. So, does it really happen there?
Most of the time it happens whenever
Okay.
they see their second child is also
Hmm.
a girl
Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
first was also girl, so they just their expression changes.
Hmm.
So it will happen. I think it will not change.
Yeah, even I've faced that thing during my internship when boy used to be when they were like bringing
Yeah.
sweets and everything,
Yeah.
but girl was there like okay, fine,
But now it has, matlab, it is like changed
a little
a little bit,
better.
but
Yeah,
not totally.
not
Matlab,
totally.
people are
Yes.
uh, conceiving again and again to just have a male child.
Yes, even I saw that
Yeah.
there are like 4 or 5 pregnancies even
Yeah.
just for the boy, and
Just for the boy.
that affects health of the mother so much. They don't even understand that.
No.
So still that we face in the
Yeah,
society.
there are multiple
Yes.
scenarios.
So it's totally relatable. So were there any overwhelming phases during your residency, whether in first year, where you were just like broken and you were like, okay, I don't want to do this anymore, I just want to quit? And were there any
Yeah,
phases?
multiple times, mostly at night duties,
Hmm.
because you are like a lonely person there. Because sister usually sleeps.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so
it
you have
happens.
to handle the every situation, and it is very different from UG. There you have friends, not in PG. They were like,
Yes,
they are all our co-PGs.
they are,
You
yeah,
just talk, but you
co-workers, not
can't,
your friends,
but
I
you
feel
can't
like.
talk your heart out. So it's very difficult. I usually cried at night also, because it feels difficult at sometimes.
Yeah, as I'm from the same college as you
Yeah.
are, so I know what happens in the labor room, how
And
it is operated at
people
night.
usually blame first year. ये हो गया
It
फर्स्ट ईयर से
happens,
पूछो, ये हुआ फर्स्ट ईयर
huh?
से पूछो, एवरीथिंग दे जस्ट blame first year.
Why is it so? Why do you think? Like, is that the same toxicity that's have been running in our fraternity since long, or it is just because that easy target
Yeah, it
first
is
year?
easy target. It is easy कि just focus
Blame
on
them.
first year. Yeah, just blame them.
So there is still toxicity that you face.
Yeah,
But I feel like lesser than other
lesser than
departments,
other
because I
departments.
know our
In
college,
ESIC it is much better than other
other
colleges
colleges,
also.
yes. Plus, listen, everybody listens the resident. It's not like
Yeah.
somewhere they're just ignored. Whatever they do, they're ignored. No,
No,
people
no, no.
listen
It's
there.
very different here.
Yeah.
In
So
ESIC it
life
is
is better,
different.
I guess, being a resident. Not a personal life. That what I believe. Being considering your
Yeah,
branch
matlab
that
you
you're
don't have
pursuing.
to study as much. You just have to pursue those clinical skills. And yeah, there are seminars also, but matlab it's different from pursuing PG than doing PG.
Then doing
Doing
PG,
PG,
yes.
yeah.
So pursuing is different, guys, and
Very
doing is
different.
different.
Pursuing is very difficult.
Yes. It's just like you have to be in and out of
Yeah, now
everything.
it's like you enter that branch, now you will do it.
Yeah, you
In
have to.
how,
So you're loving it in and also, what I
yeah,
believe.
kind of. Sometimes there are like,
Ups and
I was,
downs, or
yeah,
like,
but mostly I am loving it.
that's great. That's great. So totally relatable. So anything about that? What is helping you going through it, like from the studies or anything? So I believe that you're studying from the JP books also, and
Yeah.
I got to know that our online platform that's you're using, that's Diginov. So do you want to add something if it is helping, or to what extent it is helping you?
Yeah, actually, I know. I came to know about it. I wasn't sitting in the OPD, and someone came, and then I know okay, there is some app who will
Okay.
help in this post graduation program. Then I took that program, and it will help. Like there are publications. It helped me in making the study protocol for my thesis, and
Exactly.
also for the review of literature writing. In many things, like if someone asks that you quote that word, then also it helped. So it,
Yeah, just like
yeah,
the AI that we have, it helps you just
yeah,
write, and all the things are there. So it is helping you in if I
yeah.
say so. Yes. So guys, we can go for the Diginov. Obs Gynae residents can take a subscription, and it will help you. All right. So let's talk about your first thing. First, as in uh, any fight you had, or any a breakdown point, or first child that you delivered, how it changed you. Like, I guess there was something that you come up, like there's always a pre-mind setup that you come for your residency, but there is always a point that changed you, that overwhelmed you, and it changed you through and through. Like, you were, of course, it's a clinical branch, and there
Yeah.
must be like a proud moment, or you were in your proud era that yes, I got this. And but there is something that gives you a hard slap on your face, and you are back to the reality. Okay, there are other people like me. So was there any moment like that?
Yeah, there one day a patient referred from BK hospital,
Okay.
and after entering the labor room, in the corridor only, she lay down on the floor, and the baby delivered, matlab legs were delivered, torso was delivered, only
Okay.
head was inside,
Oh God.
and I was there to deliver the baby as a first year, and that time I just
So it
through
was a
an
breech baby.
yeah, it was a breech baby, and through a maneuver I delivered that, and then my SR said very good. So that was a very nice moment. Sometimes it is like I was very sad while going to the duty, and suddenly you take the delivery and you feel a happiness. When I teach interns the delivery, and
Yes.
the happiness they felt, same
Yes.
happiness I feel ki,
Yeah, I can
there's
remember during
something.
my internship. Do you remember there was a senior? I should not like say his name right now, but he was very good. He even helped me like during the C section also.
Yeah.
So you get the point whom I'm referring to.
Yes.
So plus he was like, "Ki, okay, today all the deliveries Himanshu will be taking." So I took all the deliveries and I was rushing. We didn't even get a chance to take that patient mother to the labor room itself.
Yeah.
In
Sometimes.
ANC, they delivered the babies.
Yeah.
And you don't even have a chance to wear gloves. It happens so fast in the labor room,
Yeah.
you never know what's going to happen next.
Yeah, sometimes even women deliver in the washroom also. It's
Exactly,
so
that
heavy.
happens.
Yeah.
Yes, it happens.
Mostly the referred patients who
Yes,
doesn't.
even in the lifts, I guess, when even they're
Yeah.
coming
In the
from ground
auto
floor to
also
the,
is the
yes,
ground floor, and we have to
it
go there to
happens.
take the
Yes,
deliveries.
I
Yeah.
remember a few patients used to deliver in auto rickshaws and they used to
Yeah.
come
You
to
have
our.
to be in hurry all the time.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
labor room is not easy. That was the place I didn't like at all. All that screaming and everything. I always
I
resented the
know.
labor room. I guess most of the boys did.
Yeah.
That's what happened. During an internship, we decides, okay, I don't know what I want to take, but I know that this is the branch that I don't want to pursue in
But
future.
patients listen to the male doctor more than female.
Does that happen?
Yeah, that
Yeah, because
happens.
trend is changing, I believe. There
Uh,
are few of your senior residents who are
who are
male
male,
doctors.
yes.
Yes.
Even our HOD is also male.
Yeah, he's a male HOD. Yes. So things are changing, but
Yeah.
I don't believe if they listen to the male doctors or not.
And not sometimes they don't let the male doctor to do per
Yeah.
vaginum also because they are more comfortable with the female.
Yeah, that happens. Yeah, but what I believe in the Western world, there are many male gynecologists and
Yeah.
obstetricians.
Here also.
A trend is
Yeah,
changing.
trend is
Trend
changing.
is changing. So it's not just that all female branch anymore.
No.
Yeah. So yeah, if females can be orthopedician, I believe males can be
Can
an
be.
obstetrician. Yes, that's what happening these days. Okay, so like every mistake feels magnified in residency. So did it help you to grow? Was there any mistake that you still like you cannot forget it, or it? I know at that point of time it was like, oh shit, what have I done? But now it's like you learned from it.
Matlab, there are some times that you don't arrange blood for the patient and then she
Hmm.
bled in the OT. She's having
Yeah, I
postpartum hemorrhage. Then
understand.
you feel
Yes.
ki it's important. Now I
Hmm.
tell my first years to do that. Now I
Hmm.
understand ki it is very important
It is
because
very
when I am
important.
doing the cesarean, then
Hmm.
I should be sure ki yes, blood is there. If
Yeah.
anything happens, I will be able to transfuse. So
You
yeah,
cannot take chance
no, we
during
can't take chance
C-section,
here.
है ना?
In
Like,
matlab, few seconds anything can happen to the mother
yeah.
or to the baby. I know everyone is offended by us, the anesthetist also, the
I
OT staff
understand.
also, but
Yes.
yeah,
You
what
cannot
we
take
can do,
chance. Yeah.
because matlab, uterus can do anything at any time. It is a matter of
Exactly.
two persons, ki mother and baby both, so
Exactly.
you
You'd
can't
never
do.
know
Yeah,
how it is going to respond. Even no one knows like how uterus
because
is
she
going
is
to
having the
respond.
baby for 9 months, so it's
Yeah,
difficult.
exactly. Yes, that nine
You
months
can't
are
give a
very
bad news.
important. Yes. So it's like you're mentoring first year PGs.
Yeah.
So do you see yourself in them? Like how you used to be, or the silly things that they do? Okay, this was a thing that I was doing.
Most of the time it feels like ki I was doing the same, but sometimes like I was better than them. This also
The newer
happened.
generation is, what do we call them? A Gen Zs or what?
Yeah,
Yes. So it is different with them. So
slightly different.
slightly different.
But
Yes.
first year is the best year.
Hmm. Less responsibility, I
Yeah,
feel.
less responsibility, zero responsibility. You
Zero
don't have to
responsibility.
worry about anything.
Yeah, because you're
You
just
just do anything.
you're learning
Yeah,
basically
yeah,
at that point.
mostly.
You're
Huh?
learning. Hmm. So like what do you prefer more these days? I believe like the trend is changing from books to the e-learning platform. So do still PGs read from the books? That's the
I
question, because
think,
UGs are not reading from the books,
yeah,
that I
UGs
get to
are
know.
not reading.
They are not.
But pages do read from the books. But
Mm.
mostly they also have e-books only. Nobody buys
Yeah,
them. But
because they're heavy books
mostly
nowadays.
it is e-learning because
Yeah.
everything is on the internet.
Yeah.
So
So yeah. So I believe it's your second year. So how is your thesis going on and everything? So
right
like,
now I'm doing that making that master chart, and it's very
okay,
difficult. I got tired doing one entry or sometimes half entry.
okay.
So it's very difficult.
So yeah, that's the important
Yeah,
thing,
matlab
I
now
guess.
you don't want to study. You just
You just want to
you
practice.
just want to practice.
Yes. So it changes with time. First
Yeah.
year your protocol time, and now it's like the thesis
Daily the
time.
guide will say ki come and show me this.
What have you done?
What have you done? And once my guide messaged me also, this is a serious warning. Please come and show me the master chart.
It happens, it
Yeah.
happens, like they are very senior consultants. Yes.
Hmm.
So for the new people who are just appearing for NEET PG this year, or who have in mind that they want to opt obs gynae as their career, it's not just about 3 years. I believe it's your life depends on it. Your whole
Yeah.
life will be around mothers and babies, and there are new branches that's also adding up. It, I believe it's not an end branch right now. So what do you want to
Yeah.
say to them?
Matlab, absolutely it requires courage to take OBGY because it is very alarming and you should be on your toes all the
Yeah,
time.
all the time.
But on the other hand, if you are confused between taking branches, so OBGY has bits of everything. There is medicine also,
Yes.
surgery also, and
Yes.
somewhat of peds also.
Hmm.
So you can pursue that if you are not able to decide what to do, and also you give joy to others.
Yes.
And
Yes.
there will always be a satisfaction that
Yeah,
you are doing something.
I believe every mother remembers their obstetrician.
Yeah.
Every mother ki
In
like
any way, she will remember.
she will remember कि इन्होंने मेरे बच्चे को
Yeah.
birth करवाया
Sometimes
था,
it happen in
yes.
the OPD when she come for her next pregnancy. She
Mhm.
will, मैम आप थे वहाँ पे, आपने delivery लिया था, तो it happened.
It happens,
Yeah.
they remember. So as in like you said, pediatrics also, sometimes they are not pediatricians to take handover.
Most
They are
of
also
the time they are not.
okay. So you have to handle the baby at that
Yeah,
time
we have
also.
to resuscitate the baby.
Hmm.
Most of the time it happens, but mostly in LSCS they don't let us make
Yeah.
the skin in season if pediatrician is not there. But mostly
Yes.
in normal deliveries it happens.
Yeah, I remember I used to be, when I was intern,
Yeah.
I was always there in the labor room during.
I usually call that baby was delivered on 4:57 p.m. and it is 5:30 p.m. Where are you? So it
Okay.
happens most
It
of the
hap-
time.
Yeah, government setting, everyone
Yeah.
is rushing here and there. Everyone, I feel no one has that like कि एकदम से आ जाए, because
हाँ.
emergency is full. In residency, you have even I guess pediatrician have to look out the emergency or the NICU wards and their
Yeah,
own wards
everything.
and the labor room
Yeah,
also.
I think most busy branch is pediatrics.
Pediatrics, yes, it is
Gynae is
there,
most
yes.
easy than peds,
Hmm.
especially at ASIC.
Yeah, I see it is a lot to learn at ESIC.
Yeah.
It is a lot, because I see somewhere there are not even that many deliveries. Every time ANC labor room is full.
Full, every time.
You just go there and you don't know
Yeah.
when your shift starts and when it ends. It's always
Now
there.
it allows Ayushman people also for deliveries.
Okay,
So
so
load
they
is
are
increasing.
being there.
Yeah.
So I didn't know
Earlier
that
it was only IPs.
It was only IPs.
Yeah,
so
but now
people are
Ayushman
also.
is also.
I didn't know that it has started happening in Faridabad, because I believe they cannot even handle the load. Already there were so
Yeah.
many IPs coming to the Faridabad. It is happening. Okay, great. So what about the things that you want to learn in future? It's the end, like you just want to pursue just OBG residency, or you're thinking of something else in the future? Because I believe there are many fellowships, or that doesn't count in super specialty, I believe, but fellowships are there.
Yeah, well,
Like
there are
the
super speciality also.
vaginal cosmetology,
Yeah.
or the fetal medicine, or the infertility, that's in demand actually.
Yeah.
People sometimes wants to pursue OBG just to go for the infertility clinics,
Yes.
because that is in demand. People are infertile due to stress and their living standards these days. So what do you plan after that?
When I am frustrated from my branch, then I thought that I will just see the patients with abnormal uterine bleeding, the patients who have
Okay.
PCOS or
Mhm,
anything else.
yes.
But when I had taken the branch, that time I decided that I will go through towards the infertility side, because
Like
that was the
obstetrics,
main reason.
Yeah, obstetrics more than gynecology.
Yeah.
That's what you prefer.
Yeah, I will see that I will give that paper what will happen, or I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
do
yeah.
the fellowship
Yes,
and
yes,
will
yes, it
pursue
happens.
reproductive medicine or anything.
Yeah, it is
I will
great.
see
It is
that.
great that it is going on. Like more on the laparoscopic surgeries are on the demand.
Yeah. Now I'm just focusing on my thesis to making
Which
master
is very
chart.
important. I
Yeah.
feel, yes, it is very important. Plus, I just want to know, what is the thing that is difficult for you? Like, what do you prefer basically? In short, if I ask, a labor room or the wards or the OPDs or the USGs, what do you prefer?
Matlab, mostly I like wards because it becomes a home. Patient stays there. He knows कि सुबह डॉक्टर आएगी, तो I like wards, OPDs and wards.
Okay.
Labor room is okay because you are doing something, but I prefer wards because I just like, I don't know why, but mostly
But
because
I've heard mostly obstetricians they like labor room.
yeah, matlab patients know their doctor and they
Yes.
know everything that they have done something, so it's I like that.
So is there any advice you want to give to the mother, like who is going to deliver or who just have delivered? Any advice you want to give it to them?
At that time, so we usually tell them to space between two children, and if she
Which is very
is having
important.
two children, so advise them contraception.
Which is important.
Yeah, most important, because
Not
to
just
reduce
according to the population, I
but to
believe.
reduce maternal mortality also, the multigravidas have more chances to have anything, matlab like PPH or other things. So it's better
Ki
to
just
follow the government also.
yes, it's not just because of the population that we are talking
Yeah,
about. It's
now
because their health has also been
now the one child
compromised,
norm is also introduced.
which
So
is, I guess,
yeah,
very good, because it's not just about being a giving birth to a girl or a boy. It's all the same right now.
yeah.
Whoever wants to stay with you, they will stay with you. How can you
Hmm.
just be sure that the boys are going to stay with you and girls not? Look at us, we are staying away from home. No one is staying with our parents.
Yeah.
It happens.
From matlab like +1 all 11th only we are staying away from our
Yeah, we are
parents.
all staying away from our parents. So once you get out of your home, there's no going back. I
And you
believe
don't
that is,
want to go
even
back.
yes, we don't want to go
In
back.
5 to 6 days, you are like, oh, I want to go to the hostel.
Yes,
Ab ho
I
gaya.
just ab ho gaya,
Ab
now
ho
let's
gaya.
just go
Yeah.
home. Yes, it happens. So now the most interesting part of our session, we are going with the rapid fire.
Okay.
It's not like the other shows that you must be watching on online. So it is a very decent one. No controversies here.
Okay.
So, what's the weirdest place you have taken power nap during residency?
While doing the workup, I was asking patient the history, and I slept there, sitting there. I slept, and the patient was laughing.
It happens.
Yeah, it
In the,
happened.
in the
Yeah.
labor room that must have happened.
Yeah,
है
in
ना,
the
in the
labor
night
room only on
duties.
the ANC counter, I was taking history. It was around 4 a.m. So I slept there only, sitting straight.
It happens. It
Yeah.
must have happened. Yes. I believe, yeah, even during it was internship, there was nothing much to do for me. But yes, I understand how sleepy we
In
were during
starting, it
nights.
was very difficult to stay awake for me, so I
But you
slept
somehow
there.
managed.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Now it's easy.
It's easy. अब सोना मुश्किल होता होगा, जाग के काम करना है. It's
हाँ.
more, yes. So one OBGYN topic that you can explain even in your sleep, and one is like on your tips. Okay, this is
I
my
think Bishop score, because whenever you do PV, the resident or the consultant will ask you that ki how much it
Okay.
is now. What will you do? You
Yeah.
will augment it or
Yeah. Okay. So residents, you must know what Bishop score is, and UGs also, yes. So emergency LSCS or normal delivery, what gets your adrenaline pumping more? Like you
matlab
have
it's
to be
like
in
you
a
can
place.
take them at normal delivery on bed also, but for emergency LSCS, first you have to convince the anesthetist, then you have to call the pediatrician. So it's a lot of work. You have to collect the CBC first
And it
in
should be in
hand.
minutes, है ना, everything.
Yeah, everything should be in minutes, and you
You
have to
have to,
collect CBC.
yeah,
Have to arrange everything. So
you have to
emergency
tell
LSCS.
the attendants also that yes, we are going for emergency
Yeah,
LSCS.
they
What's
don't
the
agree to that. They are like normal नहीं हो सकता, थोड़ी देर wait कर लो. तो mostly it happens. So it is difficult.
It is difficult, guys. Yes. So, what's your I survived this story from residency? Either it was a fight with your consultant or your guide or any patient. There's one. There must be one story how you survived that.
Mostly it was smooth. The main reason, मतलब main difficulty was कि you are just alone in the labor room. That was the main reason. Otherwise, I did UG from here only. So
Yeah, the same college. Yes.
so fight is mostly with the patient attendant,
Yeah.
not with other.
Yeah, it's not even a fight, I guess. It's just
Yeah,
an
just-
argument that you
yeah.
want to make them understand something, but they are not getting it.
While trying to understand them कि cesarean is important.
Yes.
So that time, sometimes patient was willing for cesarean. Then we have to
Yeah.
tell them, it is not like कि we you
हाँ,
want to do
आपने
cesarean, so
चाहा
we
तो
can
हमने
do
कर दिया,
cesarean.
yes.
Yeah,
It's
that
not
time
like
also.
private hospitals that
Yeah,
this
mostly they
thing
take
is
for-
going on,
yeah.
yes. So they take for like your C-section because
Yeah.
I heard there are packages, normal delivery, 1 lakh package, LSCS, 2 lakh package.
हाँ,
So
people
it happens.
लोग मुहूर्त निकलवाते हैं कि आज सिजेरियन कराएंगे. They took the date
Does
and
it
decide.
happen?
Yeah.
मतलब
people
बर्थ का
go to
टाइम
the-
हम खुद से डिसाइड करवा सकते हैं LSCS के थ्रू
नहीं,
बच्चे
मतलब बर्थ का टाइम भी डिसाइड करा सकते, बट दे यूजुअली डिसाइड द डेट, द डे दे वांट the baby to get delivered, they decide.
So they
They
go
go
to
to pandits
and
and yeah.
so it is
According to
happening. I
the
didn't know that this
yeah,
is
according
happening.
to that कि the Rashi मतलब जो भी they do that.
अच्छा, मतलब 1-2 दिन आगे पीछे करा के
Yeah.
हमें इस टाइम पे बच्चा
Yeah,
चाहिए.
that
Oh
they
God.
mostly in private
This is so
hospitals this is
strange
happening.
that I can decide the Rashi or the Kundali of my child according to me.
Yeah, mostly we will take the pregnancy to 40 weeks, but
Yes,
according
yes,
to
yes.
that horoscope, they decide कि कोई बात नहीं,
39 में ही
baby
कर
is
दो.
3 kgs now, just deliver
कर दो.
it. Yeah,
Oh
do the
God.
cesarean. This is happening.
But not in government settings.
No, not in government setting. It is not allowed. We have to show the proper
Yes,
indication कि हम
everything.
cesarean
Yes.
क्यों
क्यों
ले रहे
कर
हैं.
रहे
Yeah.
हैं? It's or like, but I guess बाहर
Sometimes
private.
it happens we show the fetal distress and
Yes.
hurry it, but
Yes.
it doesn't happen कि
Yes,
patient अगर
प्राइवेट
चाह
में तो
रहा है
यही
तो
होता होगा कि fetal distress आ रहा है और let's go for it.
yeah,
Because
fetal distress नहीं भी आ रहा है. Even the family is willing
NST is
for
not difficult to get that, I
yeah,
believe.
not
Yeah.
at all difficult.
You just
Sometimes we have attached the NST to patient's arm also to get a fake NST and to take the patient for
it
cesarean.
happens.
It happens.
It is happening.
Yeah, because there are some other conditions which consultants are not understanding, but SR is thinking that it will be better to take the patient for cesarean. Matlab, it is very easy to take the patient for normal delivery because you have to do nothing. It
Yeah.
will happen spontaneously.
It
But
will
for
happen
cesarean, you have to
spontaneously.
मतलब अब ऐसे भीख मांगनी पड़ती है एनेस्थेटिस्ट के सामने कि प्लीज ले लो
ले लो
इसको, yeah.
अभी कर लो. Yes.
And also the other departments are frustrating if surgeon is taking some case, but we will take the LSCS and
yes.
their
वो
case
पूरा,
will be
yeah,
delayed. So they are
emergency-
very
There are only I guess 1-2 emergency OTs that are opened.
Yeah.
In our colleges.
yeah, and they give preference for LSCS.
They always
They
does.
always
They have
give.
to.
They have to.
They
Yeah.
have to. Emergency surgery can wait for 1 hour,
Yeah,
but
so they are
LSCS
very-
cannot. It can take 2 lives at a moment. A very tricky question that might be for you: chai, coffee, or IV fluids? What keeps you awake or going for the duty? I've seen there are many residents or doctors have cannula in one hand, but still they are doing their duties.
Yeah, most of the time it happens. I had typhoid and they called me for the duty because there was a maternal mortality.
Oh.
So I was in like 104 fever tha, and I was there in the labor room. But mostly it's like people are surviving on chai. I was not a chai person, but when everyone is drinking and it gives
Yes.
a very nice feeling after you drink it कि
Refreshed.
refreshing होता है बिल्कुल, तो you drink
Plus, I feel like government employees are on chai
chai.
always.
Yeah, and coffee is
There's-
difficult to get.
Yeah, chai is everywhere.
Yeah.
It's so quick. Even
Either it's
even
4 a.m. or it's 12
Yeah.
a.m. you get the chai.
even nursing staff makes chai for you.
Yeah,
It happens. Yes, they all have all the ingredients.
हाँ,
and
they have their induction and
Yes.
everything. They make chai there only, so it's easy to
yeah,
get
it's
chai.
easy to get. Yes. So, one medical item that you always carry in your apron.
I think it will be a Doppler to
Hmm.
listen the fetal heart sound because it is very important.
It is very
Yeah,
important.
because before delivery also you should listen because you can tell the patient the baby is alive or not. So in every emergency situation you should have a Doppler with you.
Yes, totally, I understand. So, what is a myth about obs gynae that you want to bust once and for all? That you think that mostly that might prevent future students to pursue obs gynae or that still who are pursuing. So, what is that thing that you want to bust?
People usually think that obs gynae is only about delivering babies, but it includes everything. It includes scans also, मतलब radiology, but
Yes.
of part is also included.
Yes.
And also there is a big part that is gynecology, where
Yes,
there are
people
multiple
usually forget.
even the OPD is full of patients with abnormal vaginal bleeding, and there are procedures
Cancers.
like cancers also.
Yes.
Now so it's increasing. Robotic is also coming nowadays, laparoscopic hysterectomies, and there are lots of procedure happening. So it's not just about delivering
Delivering
babies.
the babies,
It's a
yes. So,
full branch including a lot of branches in it,
yes.
and you
yes.
have to learn a lot of things.
Yeah, like oncology.
Yeah, oncology also.
Oncology
Now
is
even
also
a 8-year girl is having the carcinoma. Her fertility is on stake. Anything can happen.
Anything can
Yeah,
happen.
it's very difficult because
So-
you have to think about many aspects. The future fertility is most important.
So yes, so that what I have asked. So there must be some cases which are like teenage pregnancies happening these days. So
Yeah.
was there anything a case that you must have handled or you have seen that teenage pregnancy or the very older age pregnancies?
There
that
is
are
a
happening?
16-year old girl which got delivered IUD baby. Matlab, baby was died in utero at
Okay.
7 months. Don't know the reason. She was referred from somewhere and she got AKI. She was very, matlab, she was okay before that, and God knows what just happened, and she got multiple cycles of hemodialysis. So it is a very difficult thing. Once
Okay.
a 12-year girl was admitted in medicine departments. They thought it is a ascites case. They haven't palpated that abdomen, and then it got
She
referred to
was
us. She was
pregnant,
pregnant. She was 26 weeks pregnant.
12-year-old girl.
12-year-old girl.
So
Yeah.
even that's not even an age for consensual
Yeah, even her pelvis is
intercourse.
not
Yes.
adequate to deliver that baby.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now her whole life will be, she will be a post cesarean. When will she have the baby in future? She
So
will be
that
a,
is very
yeah.
actually chilling experience for you to have the 12-year-old.
Yeah, mostly the girls come and they are ectopic also. The now a new trend that the pregnancy happen in the fallopian tube, and that got removed. So it
Yeah,
is,
tubes
yeah,
got removed.
salpingectomies are done.
So
So
I believe that according to it, sexual education among teenagers is very important. That needs to be
yes.
done. It's not just that parents usually hesitate to teach their kids about that. So it should not be there. That everything should be taught in a mannerful way.
Yeah,
So
there should be sex education in the schools also, and knowledge regarding contraceptions also.
yes,
So it is
yes,
very important. And also, if you get pregnant, you are having 2 lines on your UP ticket, you should get ultrasound first
yes.
rather than taking the MTP pills
Yeah,
from over the counter or
exactly.
somewhere else.
People, like, it is banned, but
Yeah,
still it
but
is
still
very
people are
easy to
getting.
get.
You just
Yeah.
ask the people and they will, नहीं मैंने कोई दवाई नहीं लिया, but they have taken the medications
You
from somewhere.
know,
Yeah,
exactly, nothing can be hidden from us now.
yeah,
We know they just need to palpation and pervaginal examination.
yeah.
Everything you get to know that yes, they must have taken it. And what about like the advice you want to give who are planning their pregnancy after 35? Because I'm seeing that trend is also towards the teenagers
Yeah,
wants to get
elderly
pregnant
primary.
and the millennials wants to delay it as
Delay it
late as
as later.
possible. So what do you want to advise them?
Mostly मतलब to get pregnant before 35, मतलब because there are chances of congenital anomalies increase after that age, because your eggs are not that much good to conceive also. So start taking folic acid before conception. You should have all the screenings which happen in the first trimester. Go for the knuckle translucency test and everything.
Yes.
You should have every scan also, and also to get a level 2 scan.
Yeah,
So
it is
yeah,
important.
मतलब now it is not कि pregnant हो your घर में deliver होगी. You should go to the doctor, have your visits,
Yeah.
and it also prescribed by the WHO also that you should have minimum visits and everything.
Yeah. So it is basically, I know it is a thing that still Indian community doesn't wants to think of it, that should there be a screening for both father and mother before even they get married. I believe that if there is any anomaly that can happen to kids, or if they get married, like there are some certain hereditary conditions which if
Yeah.
a boy's family or a girl's family have, if they get married, what consequences can have. What do you have to say on it?
Like जैसे मतलब India is a low resource country,
Yes,
so it is
yes.
very difficult that we can screen both parents. Like in our OPD, a patient came with the condition of osteogenesis imperfecta in her
Okay.
previous baby.
Okay.
So her 3 babies died because of that.
Okay.
And she came in the OPD for like pre-conceptual counseling. So we do the genetic screening, because osteogenesis genesis imperfecta is a autosomal dominant
Autosomal
condition.
dominant condition,
But her
yes.
both parents were normal. मतलब either one of them is carrying gene, so one should have the disease. So sometimes it is recessive also.
Okay.
So
that is
मतलब
very
yeah,
rare
so
that
it
I'm
is a
hearing.
chance of her to have the pregnancy, or either she should go for IVF or something, or donor sperm.
Yeah, so there should be a pre-conceptual
Yeah, there should
counseling.
be. Yeah, but
There
in
should
India
be.
it is very difficult
But
to have
nowadays
it.
in government settings, it is free.
But they
And it
only do it
takes-
for high risk cases if there is some history, not for the first pregnancy.
Yeah, not for the first
Or
pregnancy.
if it is an elderly primary, they will do it, but mostly they don't. If there is some
So
history,
yes, if you want to get pregnant, it should be before 35 years of age.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is both safe for you and the baby.
in every disease, like in diabetes also, hypertension, even मतलब at young age people are having these conditions.
Yes,
So they
yes, yes.
should do preconception counseling, because it will change the progression of your pregnancy. The events that happen during pregnancy, everything will change if you have preconception
Yeah, because
counseling.
lifestyle is changing, so
Yeah,
everything is being
because you have to
changed.
control everything before pregnancy. If you're having diabetes, your sugar level should be controlled.
Yes.
then only you can continue. And there are various drugs that you can't take in
Yeah,
pregnancy.
you
If you are
cannot take
having
in pregnancy.
epilepsy, then you
Yes.
have to stop or change to some
Yes.
drugs.
Yes.
Everything you should,
Yeah, it should be a counseling,
yeah,
proper counseling
you
done.
should,
Yes.
yeah.
So it was a great session with you. So that was Dr. Tanvi Mittal, strong, sharp, and still standing in the middle of madness of the second year. So if you're in the middle of your own storm, you just know that you are not alone, and drop your toughest residency stories in the comments. So this is the Residency Real Talk. Thank you, Dr. Tanvi, for being here and sharing your life of residency with us.
Thank you so much for having me. It is very nice that you get to share about your residency.
I guess it
Yeah.
is needed for most of the people.
Yes.
This is kind of a disclaimer to everyone who wants to pursue an obs gynae
Yeah,
residency.
you want to rant about it, or you should be
Yes,
happy
yes.
about it. It's
So
nice.
do see this and follow us.